All right, good morning. So today I'm going for a do-over of that challenging day. When I was here last, it was the hottest day of the year at Six Flags, and now it is the rainiest day. I'm not really sure how this is gonna go, but I'm excited to see. It's actually National Rollercoaster Day, so I'm excited to be in here and get my pin and see some good folks. So fortunately, we're in like a little dry segment where it's just sprinkling just a little bit. So we're gonna try to go get some rides on El Toro. I'm not sure how this day is gonna go, but it looks promising. There's not a lot of people in here. I don't think that we have to get flash passes just yet. So it's roller coaster day, and we just got like a crazy rain ride on Toro. I was in the back seat. My friend almost snapped his neck because he was balled up like a, I don't know. How was that ride for you?
It was crazy. It was great, but I thought I was gonna snap my neck. So
it was like he was like the antithesis of airtime. He tried to staple himself. It was crazy. Rain ride, more than one train going, no line. I think today's a good day.
Always optimistic.
It's a Six Flags day, yeah. I'll say that.
It's a day of commitment.
Yeah, it's a day of commitment. Who's moist and meaty now?
Still you.
Alright, so we're in the midst of what I call Poncho Gate. My friends weren't as fortunate as I to have bought a raincoat. So once it started raining heavy, everybody swarmed these stores for the ponchos, and they kept sending us from one store to the next in similar Six Flags fashion. They're like, go over to this one, they have ponchos, they only had kid sizes, and then they say go to this one. So we ended up going to another desk in the same store called Six Flags Universe. They were hoarding all the ponchos. So my friends are now in line. They're gonna have ponchos pretty soon. I just wanted to update you about how ridiculous it is to get a poncho in the park today on like the rainiest day of the year. It might not have been the rainiest day of the year because I was in Kentucky when this area was actually under a hurricane like 2 weeks ago, but it's the rainiest day I've experienced. So today we're having Johnny Rockets, and typically I would ask for a cup of water, but in Johnny Rockets they don't have a cup of water, so I have to get Dasani, but Dasani was 2 for $10, I know. But we're thirsty, so we had to drink that. I can go to any of the other fill-up locations though and get a courtesy cup of water, which I think I'll do later. Also, I got the Rocket Double Meal, which was like $15, but you get 15% off with your season pass discount, plus there was a discount off the drinks. And the server was nice enough to let us use it for all of our meals today, so we saved a good like maybe 15 bucks on all of the meals, but it's very expensive still. And Johnny Rockets it is, and we're protected by this nice awning from all of this nasty weather we're still experiencing.
got off the Joker, and it was kind of cool because it was like a really easy rain ride compared to these other rain rides that like melt your face. The Joker was like very smooth. I don't know if this one's as spinny as say Batman and Fiesta Texas, but I'll take it. It is what it is. It's an SNS 4D free spin. But I'm glad that we got this. I'm really glad that we came here today because there's like no line. Dead. We're here at Nitro. Nitro's a walk-on. What? I haven't seen this since like 2000 and never. So I'm excited about that part. I think it's real funny that Congo River Rapids is running on the rainiest day of the season when I was here on the hottest day and there was not a single water ride open. Almost there. I bet you like when these rides were new, when I was a small child in the 90s, they were so popular they had to use all of these swirlies. But nowadays it's like pretty much a walk-on, and at least it's not hot so you don't have to suffer through this little thin area. I thoroughly love Batman clones. I feel like my favorite one is Goliath at Six Flags Fiesta Texas. It's something about it, it's just faster to me. But I really like them. Classic B&M inverts. It's neat that we got our car pins today, but of course every time I come this summer, car is down. Today it makes a lot of sense because it's raining and the wind is high, but you know, I guess I'll ride it in the fall or maybe next year. I don't know.
Do I have something on my face?
Something on my face.
Hey guys. So Six Flags just kind of can't win with me this season. I would say that this was a much better experience coming here on the wettest day than the first day, because on the wettest day, pretty much everything's a walk-on, so that was enjoyable. What'd you think?
Yeah, it wasn't bad.
Yeah, it wasn't bad, but I'm still giving this park a 5 out of 10, and I love it to death because I live so close, but you know, my experience is subjective, and there's a lot of issues with the operations, and you know, the list goes on. It's disappointing, but it was fun to actually be on roller coasters on National Rollercoaster Day, so that's cool, and I got my King the Cop pen.
Which didn't open today.
Yeah, well, we knew it wasn't gonna open because of the weather. If it's too strong of a breeze, it's down. But other than that, give it a 7 out of 10. Just because. 2 points for the extra effort. And the rain rides on El Toro, Nitro, were all pretty fun. Bye. Bye.
Okay. And she pushed it first, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, because she was in my face.
Yeah. You told her about the mask.
And I told her about the mask.
And the operator made the announcement because I said operator didn't